Today on the menu, we're stir frying. We've got beef, mushroom and XO stir fry. Really fast recipe, packed full of flavour. This is Good Chow's XO sauce. It's made in New Zealand and it's made from the New Zealand black-footed power. It's got 20% in there. It's also got dried scallops, dried shrimps, chili and soy in there. This is a flavour maker for any dish you're making at home. And look at this, a nice selection of mushrooms here. We've got some buttons, some field mushrooms, and these funny looking enoki mushrooms. And then we're just gonna stir fry it with a bit of beef rump, and we've got some of these Hokkien noodles as well. So these are all in packets ready to go, and just you can put them straight in your stir fry. Right, the key to a quick stir fry is preparation, and that's what we need to do now. We need to cut all our ginger, garlic, mushrooms and beef, and get it all ready, and then we can just cook. So you can use different cuts of meat. Today we're using rump. It's a little bit cheaper, and in my opinion, it's got a lot more flavour. You can use sirloin, you could use eye fillet if you want. It's entirely up to you. So you just want to use the nice, really nice lean pieces of beef. So we want to cut across the grain, so we're going to cut like this, and that is going to make it tender. That's all our preparation ready to go. Now it's time to start cooking. So we're going to get the wok nice and hot, and then we're going to pop a little bit of oil in there. I'm going to start with the butter mushrooms and the field mushrooms. So you can see the wok smoking, so you can already see we're getting a nice bit of colour on there. Just keep them stir frying. I'm going to put the ginger in now as well. So we can pop that in nice and early. We just want to get all that flavour from the ginger. So once we've got a nice colour on the mushrooms, we can move the mushrooms to the side, just to add a touch more oil. And then we're going to add our beef. The reason why we don't put the garlic in too early is because we've got such a high heat, the garlic's going to burn. And now the XO sauce. So just give it a nice stir. And I'm going to put 2 teaspoons in here, okay? That goes in, and just stir fry that. Use the heat to really bring out those flavours. Now I'm going to add some soy sauce. I'm going to add a small splash of water. And in here I've got a little bit of corn flour. I'm going to add some water, and I'm just going to make a little slurry. Okay, mix that together, and this is going to help thicken our sauce. Okay, now we can add our noodles. I'm going to add our enoki mushrooms as well. So all we're doing now is we just want to warm those noodles and warm those enoki mushrooms. The sauce is nice and thick, that's coating everything. And I'm just going to finish it with a little bit of sesame oil. That goes on there. And there you go, that's how easy it is. We've got the noodles glazed in that beautiful sauce, the beef, those mushrooms, and of course the XO sauce as well, which is an absolute flavour maker. And there you go, that is a fast stir fry recipe. Beef, mushrooms and XO sauce. You know, it's quick, it's easy, and it packs a punch. You guys should try this at home.